You got a fetish for my love. I push you out and you come right back. Don't see a point in blaming. If I were you, I'd tell me. You got a fetish for my love. I push you out and you come right back. Don't see a point in blaming. If I were you, I'd tell me.
Hey everybody, the Viper 2017 here, and people are riding on my butt already. We had just started. We started in Kettering today.
Tell them what you found.
Oh man, 2 exercise machines already. Like the big ones, not the little puny bikes and stuff.
We'll show you the scooters too. Yeah. So the picture afterwards. We forgot to do a video, but we will definitely do a picture.
Yeah. But we're on a mission. We saw some stuff yesterday.
Washer.
Washer and another exercise bike we saw somewhere, and we just had no room until this morning because we was able to dump it. And I made, for the first load, I made 38.10,
And we'll show you that too.
which is not bad because I had cans and other stuff with it.
Alright.
Trying to drive as slow as I can because that exercise bike has wheels on it
Yes.
and it will slide out my truck. I ain't trying to hurt nobody. And
Explained on mine. You don't have to. I explained that
well, I'm just gonna
the angle.
I'm gonna re-explain this. I'm in a truck. I cannot hold the camera. I'm not being mean, nothing like that. What angle I get is what angle, like, because that was a hands-free holder.
Well, that was a dash camera thing.
Well, it was a holder.
Yeah, and it
And now it's
right
on
here.
It's on my side. It's on the driver's side, so I can
It
at least
doesn't
lean
swivel.
over and talk to you people. So
but it don't swivel. It's our first one. We didn't know.
yeah,
And it's just straight. And when you put it right here, you can't get a good angle like you are here. So I'm holding it for him.
so yeah, she's holding the phone for me because I don't have a camera to do this
No.
with. But
It's
I am
hard.
doing it with my phone, and I do have all the edited stuff. And that guy's a scrapper.
Yeah.
That guy that just went past me, he's a scrapper. And there is a lot of people out here that scrap.
Right.
But certain ones get certain things. And what's this? This fan blade.
Yeah. Nothing.
There's a quarter potty.
No, that wasn't a border. That was a TV.
Well, that's TV, people. I was gonna say fellas, but there is women that actually watch me.
Yep.
And we're just
bear with him. He's learning about different angles. When I first started out, look at my very first videos, and you're going to see my angles. They wasn't good at all, believe
Yeah.
me. He's learning.
I'm like, I got so
Getting
much
time.
on my plate right now with going out making money, customers,
Yeah.
to the YouTube, which I have no problem doing the YouTube thing because I really enjoy it.
But he
It's
is
something
learning.
to do, and it ain't about money or nothing like that with me. But me scrapping is because I have done it since I was a little kid.
That's a way of life.
I love doing it.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of people out here doing it, but
We're not just making a living off of it. We're actually enjoying it, though.
Yeah.
It really is fun. You meet people older people, they throw stuff out. They got stories to tell you. And
Yeah, I mean, like,
it's fun.
if that one time me and my dad were doing a job, and the guy was an ex-Marine, which, you know, my dad's a Marine too. But he was telling us the stories of how he met his wife and how he became a Marine and all that stuff.
Right.
And then how he collected all this stuff that he was giving away.
You get
'Cause
customers doing it.
he ended up moving to Florida, which I hope he's okay.
Right.
Hurricane Irma. But he moved to Florida, sold his house, he gave me deer antlers. I mean, all kinds of stuff. The Jag, which I don't have no more. It broke,
Right.
so I had to get rid of it because I couldn't keep junk in my house. But I mean, for all the people I inspire as far as, you know, the scrapping thing, it's a good way to make money. I mean,
It
if
really
you get the
is.
right person, right type of work, as far as like, you know, hauling scrap away, you will make some good money.
And you don't only just pick up metal, you pick up antique stuff, and you can sell it to antique stores and stuff all the time. And as we showed you yesterday, there was tables, but we even stated that we didn't have no more room for them, or we would have gotten those tables, but it's just sometimes we can't pick up stuff. It sucks,
Yeah.
but we just can't sometimes. But bear with him, he really is trying with different angles. He's doing so much that I am
what you
amazed.
call this? A virgin to this. I've
Yes.
never done nothing like this.
But I'm so proud of you. I really am. You've come a long way.
I basically have never. I've been. Well, I ain't shy because I ain't never been shy.
No, but being on a camera is a lot different.
Well, even on
You're putting
camera, you know,
everything
I
out
take tons of pictures.
Yes.
Basically, I have done camera before. It's just I never done it for other people, like a video type thing. So, you know, it's kind of hard for me. I mean, I'm not shy at it. I'm not
no,
shy
but you're
at
doing
all.
very good, though. I mean,
Since I was a baby, I'd never been shy.
well, there's a lot to do with putting up a video. You gotta, it's raw, so you gotta watch what you do, how
Watch
you do
what you
it,
say.
who you film, who you don't film, the
Yes.
angles.
You know, I see a lot of YouTubers, like the real popular ones, mostly. I mean, every once in a while you see the ones that just started or something like that, and they're cussing in their videos, and
That's
I mean,
crazy.
you know, you got kids watching.
Right.
I
Well-
saw something. Sorry.
Some adults don't like to hear it either. It's just
Well, I mean,
you hear
there's
it
a
all the
time, there's a
time.
place for that. You know, and when
Right.
when you know, kids get on YouTube with their parents' permission, or they got YouTube Kids. You never know when one of them will actually click on you.
right.
Not meaning to, or just they see something that
Who
they
wants to
are
hear
interested
cussing
in.
all the time? It's just there's no sense in it.
Every once in a while, I do slip, but I
Right.
try to edit it out because it is wrong.
Which I am proud of you because you do that a lot. You edit it out, and I'm proud of you for that.
Yeah. We're working on first getting the truck fixed. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with it. You see, I'm driving it.
Right.
But the emergency brake is sticking, and it's got me kind of worried too, because I don't want to destroy the truck. Once we get that done, then we're going to try to get her a computer, me a computer. I mean, some good computers, not out-of-date computers.
Well, we could share one for the
No.
beginning.
No, because you got a hard drive. You got to have your own hard drive. But what I'm saying is, basically, we're gonna get computers and get the internet so we can get better quality YouTube videos. And I'm pretty dark, I know, but
It's because of the
it's
sun
where I'm
in
going.
and out.
Like, there's a lot of trees where I'm at.
Yeah.
And basically, it's just hard to, you know, keep light in here. I bet
Well, it is
somebody
kinda
said-
dark out a
you know,
little bit, not
I bet
real
somebody
bad.
says, well, just get a light, put it in here. Yeah, I can't do that. It's against the law down here.
Yes.
You cannot drive with a light on. I mean, with your lights, your truck, you know, your vehicle lights, but as far as driving with a light in your vehicle, you can't do it. I'm sure it's for a lot of states, but I definitely know here because I lived here my whole life.
Right.
I mean, I've been out of town and went to Tennessee, stuff like that. But I know it's a law here, so. Ah, there we go. We got a perfect view of me. So basically, date. Come check out. We did a video. What was it about? A month or two ago? Where Frankenstein's Castle.
Well, we're going to be going and actually...
The Witch Tower is what it's really called.
Well, in October, we're going to be climbing that. And
Yep.
we'll let them see at the top and all that. So you'll
And
get to see what we're talking about.
basically,
Fun.
it's just, you know, it takes time to do stuff.
It does, but we'll do it.
I mean, you've seen it. I have done it all the way up to the top. I really wish you could get in the place, you know, like go up the steps and stuff.
Yeah.
That would be cool to look from the top of the tower. There's been a couple people like, what do they call it, mountain climbing into it.
They got in trouble too.
No,
The
actually
other
it
two.
didn't. They're on
Oh.
YouTube. There's some people that came down here from somewhere else and basically got in there. But they didn't destroy nothing or graffiti anything. And they have proof of it. So, you know, I think YouTube let it happen. But, I wish some of the actual YouTubers would come down here. You know, I'd like to meet, Yuka. She's old. I know not, you know, Pick Boy's having some troubles,
Yeah.
but you know it gets better.
Yep, it does.
And as far as Angry Grandpa, you know, I wish him the best.
I do too. I like him a lot. He is so sweet.
I just liked his yelling.
He's
That
funny.
Pickle Boy. Okay, we went around this part. We're heading up to where my dad used to live. And I don't know where this washer is. There's a washer somewhere around here. We saw it yesterday. It's probably gone by now because washers, you can make money off of them whether you scrap them or not.
Well, once you're done talking, I can flip it around and let them look where you're driving around at.
We're gonna make a
little
beat.
bit of the area.
We're gonna make a Beats audio ride along.
Yeah, that'd be cool. That'll be 2 parts.
Yeah. And I figured out how to do thumbnails. So, more power to me.
Yay.
So, I'm going to start having thumbnails in my videos.
Good idea.
And, basically, let's see. We're going to turn, as soon as we get out of here, we're going to turn the camera so you guys can see what I see.
Yep.
Instead of seeing me all the time.
Yay.
She said yay.
Yay.
Okay, well, for now, I'm going to put music for the next part of the video, so
Yeah.
you don't hear my loud truck and that's it, you know, or something bad happened.
Or music, just music.
Yeah. So,
It's fun.
I will see you guys soon. Stay safe.
How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
See you again.
We've come a long way
Came a long way.
from where we began.
You know, we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Let me tell you.
When I see you